it's Cerise here, and for today's video, now, I didn't really have much kind of planned for Christmas. I love Christmas. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with Christmas, but there is a very big, I guess, reminder when holidays happen. When holidays happen, it kind of makes you think about family, think about people that are in your life, but also people that you have lost. It makes you think about you know, sometimes it can take a toll on your mental health and everything like that. So I actually found my lovely friend's sister Nisha and her friend. They've actually created an amazing company and concept, which I had to get behind. I was like, yes, that is amazing. So pretty much what they're doing is they are creating a beautiful thing with 35% of the proceeds going to mental health. They want to kind of make a better stigma about mental health. They want to get it out there that it's okay to not be okay. You know, you don't have to suffer in silence. And they've created a company called Unalome. And what Unalome is it is a company that was created to kind of just help people that are struggling, just a little thing. And a lot of people, when they kind of lose themselves, I know for me, when I have struggled in the past, I find comfort in like things, you know, something to cuddle, something to care for. And Unalome bears is little teddy bears that they have created. I feel like this for me, this is very emotional. Mental health affects a lot of people. Everyone has mental health. They're either mental, they're healthy, you know, there's all kinds of things on the spectrum. I myself, I struggle, I get very stressed, I can get depressed. I've been really flat these last couple of weeks. Work's been hectic, just life's been hectic. I've gone through so much stuff the last couple of months, and I saw this and I had to get one. With the proceeds, 35% of the proceeds again going to mental health. Like honestly, it's a really cool thing that you guys at Unalome Bears are doing amazing. I just feel so honored to have been able to buy one of these, and I'm just really excited. I wanted to unbox it on camera. I think it's just such a cool concept. They're really cheap as well. I feel like you guys could charge a whole bunch more, but I'm really excited. I'm excited to open it. Pretty much what it is, it's a cuddly teddy bear. It's a teddy bear that you can hold, you can cuddle, you can vent to, you can literally just share your emotions with. It's just something to have there, because a lot of people, you know, over the holidays, they can be alone. They could have gone through something, and something like this is just, it's such an important thing, is that we all take care of each other, that we take care of ourselves. And something like this, I feel like really, it's just making someone feel better. It's making yourself feel better. It's looking after yourself. So really, I'm excited to open this because I have been, say struggling is probably a very true word. I think I have been struggling, and when I got this today, I was like, oh my God, like I feel so much happier. I feel just better. I'm going to stop going on about myself, but it's okay to not be okay. I want everyone to know that there's always places you can reach out to. Even just me, comment down below. I'll get back to you when I can, like I will. But I wanted to open this and I want to show my support, and I want you guys to see that this is such a cool thing that we should all get behind. We should all put it through an order. I just think it would be so great. But anyway, this is the bag. So I'm excited. It's a recyclable bag as well. Also the green, that's the color of mental health as well. That's the color that represents mental health. So I think that that's just so special. But we've got a little sticker here that says, I donated to the Mental Health Foundation. I'm snazzier than a T-Rex in a bow tie. Hell yeah, you guys know I love dinosaurs. So that is really cool. So let's open it up and see what's inside. This is packaged really amazingly as well. Okay, let's see. Because these are all custom made as well. Or sort of, oh! So we've got a little like package in here. Oh my God, that's so nice. Okay. There you go. Okay. Oh my God. Oh, we'll read that in a second. Let's just look at this. The bear, it's green. Oh my God, I love it. Oh my gosh, this is all handcrafted. This is the cutest freaking thing. Oh my gosh, there's little eyes up there. Oh, and it's so soft and so cuddly. Oh, this is so nice. Oh my God. He smells good too. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh please. Oh my God. All right, this is the card here. This is really cute. All right, let's see. So I've got a message here. So I've got the email unalomebears@gmail.com as well. And it's also got the mental health helpline number as well. Oh my God, this beer is 1737, and then it's 24/7 as well. Hey Cerise, thanks for purchasing our own Unalome beer. We hope this beer brings you comfort when needed. Meet your beer. I'm Honey. Oh. Honey is... I'm gonna cry. Honey is one of my first rats that I ever lost. That inspired one of my first tattoos was Honey. Legit, it was my first rat I ever lost. I literally have it tattooed on my ankle. I'm like, I can't pull my ankle up to show you, but literally have it tattooed on my ankle. So that honestly, that gave me chills. That's so nice. Okay, I'm Honey. I'm a Cancer, like me. Hey Honey, I love makeup. Yes, oh my god, are we besties? Oh my gosh. I have a growing collection of some of my favorite artists that inspire me to get creative with my makeup and try new things. I love recording myself making my makeup and uploading them to YouTube. I hope to bring you happiness even in your darker days. Love, Honey, and the Unalome team. P.S. If you ever feel alone, please reach out to us or other help listed. This is honestly like the cutest fucking thing ever. Look at this fucking beard. I love it. It's all hand stitched. Oh my gosh, and it feels so nice and like squishy, and oh my gosh, this is the sweetest fucking comfiest thing ever. I love it. I'm obsessed. I don't want to let it go. I just feel so like, I know it sounds dumb, but I feel so happy. I feel happy with it. I feel really happy. And then let's see what's in here. I don't know what's in this one. So I donated to the Mental Health Foundation. I'm a majestic unicorn. Yes. All right, let's open this one up and see what is inside. Oh, so we've got some little goodies in here. All right, so what have we got here? Got Mental Health Foundation stickers. Offer a sticker to a friend. So we've got you're a wee Kiwi gem. You are my sunshine. You make everything car pie. You're warmer than a onesie. You float my boat. You'll always be part of my squad. You're sweet as bro. I love your smile. You're a majestic unicorn. Any day with you is my favorite day. I need to hand those out to people. That's so nice. Oh, I think the reason why they smell are these. So these are, what are these? These are candle delights. These are little soy candles. Oh my gosh, this is called Love Spell. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so sweet. And then we've got little lavender. Oh my gosh. I love those. I literally love those. And we got, what have we got here? Thank you Unalome beers. That's so nice. And then we have all of the details for the Mental Health Foundation as well, like who to call, all the times and stuff, all the numbers. And then we have a whole bunch of other stickers as well. So we've got the T-Rex one, I'm sweet as a camera, and then I'm a majestic unicorn. Wow. And then these, I think these are made by a relative of hers, someone that makes the candles. So that's really, really cool. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Niche. Oh my God. I love it. Honestly, guys, if someone's struggling, I really think that this is just a nice conversation starter if you gave this as a gift. In the holidays, it's really important that we all love each other. We all reach out to people. Even if we feel weird about doing it, just do it. Reach out to people. Just know that you are not alone. And if you are feeling alone, if you are watching this, you can reach out to me. You can reach out to anyone. I will have all of the details in the bio. But if you guys want to see these for you guys on Instagram, all handmade, done by an amazing duo of girls who are just stunning, amazing. I love you guys so much, and I love all of you guys watching, and please stay safe these holidays. I love you, and yeah, just like, it's okay. We'll be okay. We'll get through, but I love this, honey. Oh my gosh. Yes. I love you guys.